Hi everybody, how's your days? I hope that all of you are in good condition right now. It is a pleasure for me to see you although only this presentation. Halo anak-anak sekalian, apa kabar kalian hari ini? Ibu berharap bahwa semuanya sehat ya. Okay. And also I want to know that every students at the fourth grade, all the fourth graders be here to see this presentation. Ibu juga berharap bahwa semua anak kelas 4 semuanya ada dan menyaksikan presentasi ini. This is our first lesson, our first meeting. Okay, but before that, I want to remind you that there are something that I want you to do during watching this video. Selama menyaksikan video ini, Ibu ingin mengingatkan bahwa beberapa hal yang Ibu ingin kalian lakukan. The first thing that I want you to sit nicely and comfortably, and also make sure that your happy campers fall in your hand, on your hand. And if you need also prepare your notebook or exercising book. Yang pertama, Ibu ingin kalian duduk rapi, juga nyaman. Kemudian jangan lupa siapkan juga happy camper 4 dan juga jika dibutuhkan siapkan juga buku tulis kalian. Okay? Next, the second one, during this video, I want you to listen and then watch and follow all the instructions that I have given to you through this video. And the last one, I want you to learn how to appreciate yourself. What I want to say here that appreciate yourself, that believe in yourself, that you are able to do everything, every instruction, every exercise that I order you to do through this video. And also to appreciate others, because by watching this video and doing all the instructions that I've ordered you through this video, it means it is a great pleasure for me that I have a very, very good students and also smart students. Dalam video ini Ibu juga ingin kalian belajar untuk menghargai diri kalian, percaya diri kalian, percaya bahwa kalian mampu mengerjakan semuanya dengan baik dan juga dengan mengerjakan dan melakukan semua instruksi yang ada di dalam video ini adalah sebuah kebanggaan bagi Ibu bahwa Ibu punya anak-anak yang baik, anak-anak yang cerdas. Okay? Believe in yourself that you can do everything in your life. Okay. Now, let's go to the topics that we are going to learn today. But before that, I want you to watch this video.
Vocabulary, 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 boots, coat, gloves, hat, vocabulary, raincoat, scarf, shoes, sweater, vocabulary,
Okay. Do you follow? Dulu repeat after the video. Ayo, kalian tadi ikut mengulang semua kata-kata dalam video tadi, tidak. I hope that you repeat those words in the video, because I believe that by repeating whatever words through the video, the native speaker, it means also that you learn how to pronounce a word correctly. Ibu percaya bahwa dengan mengulang apa yang dikatakan native speaker tadi dalam video tadi, itu juga kalian belajar untuk berbicara dengan benar dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay? Try to repeat after whatever native speaker say to you in the next time. Okay? Let's go to the next topics. Okay, my question is, what are we by seeing that video? What are we going to do today? Can you guess what are we going to learn? That's right. Today we are going to learn about clothes. The first one, it is about clothes. And also later, we want to talk about also seasons. We are going to describe, to tell what kind of clothes in every season. Okay. So today there are two things that we are going to learn. The first one is clothes. The second one is season. In relation, what clothes in every season. Ya, hari ini kita akan belajar dengan mendengarkan video tadi, kita bisa mengerti bahwa hari ini kita mau belajar tentang jenis-jenis pakaian dan juga musim. Musim di sini akan diarahkan dengan pakaian apa sih yang cocok untuk tiap-tiap musim yang ada. We are going to learn about seasons in Indonesian and also at most of European countries. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay. This is a review for the clothes that we have already learned at the third grade. Hari dalam slide ini, sesudah ini kita akan bermain permainan kecil untuk mereview, untuk mengulang kembali tentang jenis-jenis baju yang kita pernah pelajari di kelas 3. Tentu masih ingat, bukan? Okay, let's go to the mini game. Okay, it is about clothes. What is that? Can you guess?
Dress.
Okay. Try to guess by watching the thing that is rotate in the washing machine. What is that? Shoes, sock. Let's see.
Socks.
Yes, very good. Sock. Nice guessing. What is that? Handkerchief? Or anything else? Or dessert? Let us see. Glove. Okay, glove. T-shirt? Shirt? Let's see. Yes, a t-shirt. Number 6. Let's guess. What is that? Skirt? Let us see.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit, celana berenang. Swimsuit. Okay, next. What is that? Shirt or jacket or sweatshirt or sweater?
Blouse.
Blouse, a blouse. Okay. Let's go to the 9. The next question. Oh, what is that? Coat. Let us see.
Coat.
Yes, very good. Coat. 10. T-shirt. Shirt. Tracksuit. 12. Handkerchief. Sorry. Handkerchief.
Skirt.
Skirt. Okay, very good. What is that? Shoes. Trousers.
Scarf.
Scarf. 14. What is that? Shirt.
Jumper.
A jumper. Okay, jumper. Last one. Shirt. Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so that's it. The review that we do. Okay, now let's go to Unit 1. Okay, take your book and open Unit 1. It is page, open to page, okay, 8 to 9. Okay, I am going to play the video and then all you have to do is to listen, circle, and fill in the blanks. Okay, listen, circle the picture that are mentioned, and then you write down, you fill in the blanks. You can do on your Happy Campus. Answer in your Happy Campus. Okay? Let's go to the listening.
Unit 1, Lessons 1 and 2. Favorite clothes.
What are his favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside?
These are his favorite clothes to wear. He can wear them anywhere. This is his hat. And these are his boots. These are his favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside. What are her favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside?
These are her favorite clothes to wear. She can wear them anywhere. This is her coat. And these are her gloves. These are her favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside.
Okay. Do you sing along with the song? Hope you do it. Okay, now have you done to circle and also to fill in the blank? Okay, I will play it again and we will check your answer. Okay? Be ready for that. Ibu akan mengulang lagi, memainkan lagi, memperdengarkan lagi lagu tadi, kemudian kita akan cek apakah jawaban kalian sudah benar atau belum. And I hope that you have all the right answer. Dan Ibu berharap semua jawaban kalian benar. Let's see.
Unit 1, Lessons 1 and 2. Favorite clothes.
What are his favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside?
These are his favorite clothes to wear. He can wear them anywhere. This is his hat. And these are his boots. These are his favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside. What are her favorite clothes to wear when it's cold outside?
These are her favorite clothes to wear. She can wear them anywhere. This is her coat. And these are her gloves.
Okay, now look at the word that are underlined. Lihat, sekarang kalian lihat ada beberapa kata yang di garis bawah di situ. The question is why? Some of them using these are and some of them using this is. Pertanyaannya adalah kenapa sih beberapa menggunakan these are, kemudian ada juga yang menggunakan this is. Ayo, ini materi kelas 2 nih. Pasti sudah kalian sudah pernah belajar dan pasti sudah mengerti nih. Okay, let us discuss it. Okay, kita tunggu. Yes. Jika kita bicara tentang satu benda, contohnya hat di situ ada satu, makanya menggunakan this is. Jadi this is di sini digunakan apabila bendanya hanya satu, apabila kita bicara tentang satu benda. Kemudian next, when we talk about things that when we talk about the thing more than one, then we have to use these are. Jadi jika bendanya lebih dari satu, contohnya ini di situ ada boots ya, kemudian di situ ada glove. Itu bukan satu karena ada dua, kiri dan kanan, ya. Itu dianggap benda yang lebih dari satu, selalu sepasang. Banyak benda lainnya, kita punya earring, glasses, kemudian trousers, shorts, kemudian apalagi shoes, banyak. Itu semua selalu berpasangan, ya. Maka itu tidak boleh menggunakan this is, tidak boleh mengatakan this is my shoes, ya. Tapi these are my shoes, these are my gloves, these are gloves. Oke, sudah ingat ya. Oke, kita akan lanjut lagi sekarang. Oke. Kalau tadi kita bicara tentang clothes, kita akan bicara tentang season. We have already talked about clothes. We have learned it from the third grade, and also the use of these are and this is. You have learned it at the second grade. Kita sudah belajar tentang clothes di kelas 3, maka Ibu harap catatan kelas 3 masih ada, kemudian bisa dibuka kembali. Kemudian untuk these dan this is, kalian sudah pernah mendapatkan itu di kelas 2. Ibu harap juga kalian juga masih punya itu catatan. Kalaupun tidak, tadi sudah disimpulkan bahwa kalau bendanya satu, kita menggunakan this is. Kalau bendanya lebih dari satu, kita menggunakan these are. There are some things, some clothes that are always in pairs. Ada beberapa istilah dalam baju atau outfit yang selalu berpasangan dan itu dianggap lebih dari satu, maka harus menggunakan bisa. Okay? Okay. Let's talk about seasons in our country. How many seasons are there in our country? That's right. There are only 2 seasons. Okay? There are 2 seasons in our country. They are dry season or musim kemarau, wet season or rainy season, musim hujan. Okay. Now, what kind of weather are there in this season? Because we have to know the weather to decide what kind of clothes that are suitable for this season. Kita bicara tentang cuaca juga di musim-musim ini karena kita akan menentukan nih jenis baju apa sih yang cocok untuk musim-musim ini. Okay, let's talk about season. Let's go to the dry season first. Okay, dry season or musim kemarau. What kind weather is that? Okay, hot almost all day. Dusty. You look, the sky is almost clear. Kamu lihat juga di situ, langitnya biasanya cerah, awannya cuma dikit. So it is not cloudy. Jadi makanya panas. And then leaf fallen. There are not many leaves. There are only a few leaves on the trees. Not as many as when it is rainy season. Juga dengan pepohonan ya, banyak yang daunnya berguguran, tidak sebanyak daun-daunnya tidak akan sebanyak jika musim hujan. So you can decide what kind of weather. Later you have to decide what kind of clothes are suitable for this season. Nanti kita akan menentukan jenis baju apa sih yang cocok untuk musim ini, musim kemarau berdasarkan cuaca ini. Okay, next. We go to the second season. It is wet season. Musim hujan. Okay? Musim hujan. Or wet season or rainy season. Good. Oh, it must be cold, cloudy, and windy maybe. Okay? And also, often rain. Puddles everywhere. Genangan air banyak. Nah, ada banyak genangan air kalau hujan. Also in Jakarta, sometimes flooded. Di Jakarta juga kadang banjir ya. Okay, and then people prefer staying at home. And also, children like to play in the rain. Anak-anak suka bermain hujan. Kalian suka juga? Tidak juga? Apakah kalian juga suka untuk main hujan? Atau main di genangan lumpur itu? Bukan genangan lumpur ya, genangan air. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Kalau we have talked about seasons in our country. So what about in most European countries? Bagaimana dengan kebanyakan negara-negara di Eropa? Okay. Ada 4 musim kebanyakan. Ada 4 musim. Most of European country have 4 seasons. There are spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, musim semi. Summer, musim panas. Autumn or fall, musim gugur and winter, musim dingin. Okay, let's go to the spring. Okay, this is the season, the rotation of the season. Ini adalah rotasi perputaran musim. The first one is spring, and then followed by summer. The next season is autumn or fall, and then the last is winter. After winter, we go to the spring again. It will go around in a year. Musim-musim ini akan berputar setiap tahunnya. Okay, we will go to the first one, spring. Okay, spring, musim semi. Okay, it is warm. It is nice because flowers blooming, ya, flowers blooming. Karena pada musim ini pohon-pohon banyak tumbuh Kemudian bunga-bunga mekar. Just like in the picture. It is beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Coba lihat foto itu, gambar itu. Indah bukan? Bunganya bermekaran. Ini foto ini diambil di negara Jepang. Okay. Next, we will go to the second season. It is summer. Okay. Musim panas. It is a little bit like dry season Indonesia, but it is not as hot as in tropical country as Indonesia. Cuaca musim panas itu panas tapi tidak sepanas musim kemarau yang ada di negara-negara tropis seperti negara kita, negara Indonesia. Jadi enak untuk vacation, untuk piknik, ya. Di musim in summer is hot, but it's not as hot as in dry season in tropical country. It's sunny, and then people usually like to go to the beach, and this is a holiday time for them. Okay, jadi you look at it. There is cloud, but the sky is clear. Okay, it's a sunny, it's bright day. Okay, just memorize this picture, and then we can decide what kind of clothes it is suitable for. That are suitable for the season. Okay, let's go to the third season. It is fall. Kita maju ke musim yang ketiga. Musim yang berikutnya adalah musim gugur. Okay. In autumn or fall, it is the changing from the hot into the cold season. Autumn di sini musim pergantian, musim yang dibilang antara pergantian dari musim panas ke musim yang dingin, dari cuaca yang panas ke cuaca yang dingin. So, it is often windy that make for leaf falling off the trees. Pada musim ini berangin, makanya banyak daun-daun berguguran. A little bit cold, agak dingin. It's cloudy. Kemudian langitnya berawan. And then people, karena it is because it is cloudy and sometimes rain. Sometimes it's sometimes rain, so people usually wear coat or carry raincoat when they go. Okay? Karena pada musim ini cuacanya kadang hujan, langitnya juga kadang mendung, dan cuacanya juga dingin, maka orang-orang pada musim ini kalau pergi ya membawa payung ataupun mengenakan jas hujan. Okay? It is a little bit cold, agak dingin pada musim ini. Then we will go to the last season, musim yang terakhir. Okay. Sorry. We go to the winter. Winter, musim dingin. It must be cold, very cold, that makes snow falls. It's so snowy. What layer of snow covers the ground? Jadi daratan ditutupi dengan salju. Children like to make snowmen, and also people like to wear, because it is cold, so people like to wear coat or jacket or whatever that make them warm. Okay, it's very cold one. Okay, we will go to the next slide. Okay. Now, it is the time for us to talk about clothes in every season. In this presentation, we only talk about 2 seasons that are in Indonesia. Dalam video ini, dalam presentasi ini, kita hanya akan membahas 2 season yang ada di Indonesia. The other season we will do it when we for task for you. Kemudian 4 season lainnya akan ditugaskan sebagai penugasan kalian untuk dikerjakan pada hari kita PJJ. Okay? Let's talk about the season in Indonesia. Oh, this is the one that we used to wear during rainy season. Okay? There is umbrella, jacket, beanie, itu topi rajutan, also hat, any hat or cap, and then raincoat, scarf, and boot. Wellies or rubber boot. We may say rubber boot. Wellies is, I'm sorry, there isn't any S. The S is covered by the picture of scarf. Maaf, itu S-nya untuk wellies tertutup di gambar scarf ya. Oke. Ini adalah jenis-jenis outfit yang bisa dikenakan pada musim hujan. Of course, there are some that you are usually wear, but at least there is some of them. Pasti ada beberapa lagi yang kalian biasa kenakan saat musim penghujan, tetapi paling tidak ini mewakili dari beberapa itu. Okay? We will go to the dry season. In dry season, we will have sandals, umbrella, t-shirt, hat, short, cap, sneakers, skirt, and shirt. Okay? This is the thing that we are used to wear during the dry season. Ini adalah outfit yang biasa kita kenakan pada musim kemarau. It is the same. Of course, there are some others, but this is only some example of them. Tentu saja masih banyak yang biasa dikenakan. Ini hanya beberapa contoh. Okay? Okay. So, go to the next slide. Okay. Okay? I will keep this for our exercise later. Okay? Oh, okay. For example, okay, go to the next slide. Kita keep ini ya, kita keep ini untuk nanti kita saat online, okay? This is summer, sama. The option are the same, okay? The option are the same, and then all you have to do is to choose among those things. Opsinya sama, kosakatanya sama dari skirt, short coat, jacket, sweatshirt or sweater, dress skirt, until rubber boot or wellies. Sama untuk 4 musim. For summer, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Kita akan keep ini, we will keep this for our online meeting. Kita akan keep ini ya, kita akan simpan ini dan kita akan bahas nanti saat kita online Zoom. Okay? Ini untuk fall, sama kan? And then winter. Okay, same. Okay? Okay. This is what we learned today. Ini adalah apa yang kita pelajari hari ini. Today we have learned about 1. Kinds of cloth. Okay, kita sudah belajar tentang jenis-jenis baju. It is review. Kinds of cloth ini review mengulang dari materi kelas 4 ya. Tapi juga ada di materi kelas 4. Ini materi dulu kita sudah belajar di kelas 3. Kemudian di kelas 4 juga ada. Kita juga belajar di kelas 4 hanya the differences between the 3rd grade and the 4th grade. At the 4th grade, we have to match the clothes, the outfit with the season. Perbedaannya adalah di kelas 4 ini kita harus memilih jenis-jenis outfit yang cocok untuk musim-musim tertentu. So we talk about season also. Okay. And then kita juga we also have a review on the use of this is and this. Kita juga telah mereview penggunaan this is dan these. Okay. Kemudian seasons, we talk about season in Indonesia and also season in most of the European countries. Okay, that's all we have learned today. And then I hope that you can understand the material today well. And if there is any question, you can ask me when we meet online. I will give you a chance to do the exercises and also to think about the 4 seasons that you have to choose what kind of outfit are suitable for those 4 seasons. Kalian diberi waktu untuk berlatih ya, untuk menentukan jenis-jenis outfit apa saja yang cocok untuk 4 musim tadi. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And then we will check it when we have meeting. Kita akan mencek itu, mendiskusikan itu ketika kita meeting online di hari Senin. Okay? Okay, that's all. It's a pleasure to study with you today and see ya. Have a nice day. Stay at home and stay healthy. See ya.